Welcome to our parsimony tutorial on managing salespersons within the selling module. In this video, we'll guide you through the process of setting up salespersons to help you track their performance and manage your sales team effectively. Let's begin by navigating to the selling module on the parsimony dashboard. Click on Selling to access the tools for managing your sales processes. Within the selling module, you can manage various sales-related activities, including customers, quotations, and sales orders. Today, we're focusing on salespersons. To create a new salesperson, click on the Salesperson option. Here, you'll see a list of existing salespersons. To add a new salesperson, click on the Add button. In the salesperson creation form, you'll need to provide details about the salesperson. Let's go through the key fields together. Start by entering the name of the salesperson. This will help you identify and manage your sales team members. If the salesperson is an employee within your organization, you can link their employee record by selecting them from the employee dropdown. This ensures that their sales activities are associated with their employee record. If the salesperson reports to another salesperson or is part of a sales hierarchy, you can specify their supervisor by selecting them in the Parent Salesperson field. This helps in creating a structured sales team. Enter the commission rate for the salesperson. This is the percentage of sales that will be paid to the person as commission. Next, enter the target details for the salesperson. This includes the fiscal year, target amount, and target distribution, which helps in setting sales goals and measuring performance. Once you've filled in all the necessary details, click Save to create the salesperson. Your new salesperson is now saved in the system. You can view, edit, and manage the salesperson details from this screen. From the salesperson dashboard, you can monitor the performance of your sales team, track their sales contributions, and manage their targets effectively. When creating a sales order, you can associate it with a salesperson by selecting the person in the salesperson field. This ensures that the salesperson's contribution is tracked and their performance is evaluated accurately. In the sales order list view, you can easily see which salesperson is associated with each order, making it simple to track performance and manage targets. Great job! You've successfully learned how to create and manage salespersons in parsimony. Utilizing salespersons helps in organizing your sales team and tracking their performance effectively. Thank you for watching this tutorial.